At Dave's Automotive, auto repair and maintenance is our profession. Taking care of people is our passion. Our team has years of experience working with foreign, domestic, and EV vehicles. Located in Stockertown, Pennsylvania, Dave's Automotive is a family-owned auto repair shop that's dependable, professional, and convenient. We are proud to say we have been in business since 1972, working hard to satisfy our customers for over 50 years. We do everything from auto repairs and oil changes to tires and alignments. We run a digital vehicle inspection that provides a detailed analysis of your vehicle, keeping you on top of your vehicle's condition. Can't make it during business hours? Drop off your keys anytime after hours and we will call you when your vehicle is ready, as well as offer a pickup and delivery shuttle to your home or work, making it easier and more convenient than ever. Contact us today and get a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty provided on all parts and labor, with 0% financing for 6 months with approved credit.